If you're looking for different opportunities for you to earn from the comfort of your home, or maybe you are looking for remote jobs, then you're at the right video. Hi, my name is Kletusigbe. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to access remote jobs and jobs that you could work from the comfort of your home, and maybe you're looking for different opportunities for you to do small tasks and earn from it, and then you're at the right video. So I'm going to show you most of these jobs that are listed on this website. This website is legit. You can access it. You can apply for jobs, and then once you apply, you get interviewed if you qualify, and then the job will be given to you. So we have different jobs for um different professions. So for instance, if you're a software developer, you can, apply for this job. So if you click on it like this, it's going to open the job requirements. That's the required skills for this job. So you could earn 60 to $120 per hour. So the required skills for these jobs are programming, data structures, algorithm, Git, and debugging. So if you scroll down like this, this is the website name. All right, so they are like a third party that layers with most of these companies to present these jobs to you. So you can read more about the website and then choose if you can proceed from here or not. So the title of this job is software developer, and the role type is contract based. That's going to be based on contractor, and then the location remote US base. So you can go through all the specifications, and then if it is what you want, you know very well that you qualify for this job, you can easily fill in your details, your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, your LinkedIn profile URL, submit your CV, and then click on next. So it's going to process that your application. If you qualify, it's going to take you to the next step. And the next step is going to be the interview step where you'll be interviewed. So if I take you back to the main page, we have the computer system analyst, customer support analyst, so funds attorney. There are so many jobs that you could apply for right here. So we have data privacy analysts, we have the hospital physicians. So all these jobs have their pay tag at the bottom of the card. So once you locate any job, just look at the pay if it is what you want, and then just click on the job and apply for it. So if you're looking at doing uh maybe a small task, okay, maybe you're not the type that does most of these professional jobs like skills, okay, so you could do small jobs like maybe submitting your selfies and recording a video for you to get paid. All right, so like the job we have here, AI facial data collection contributor. So you're going to get paid, and the amount is 130 $139 to $140 per hour. So the required skills are selfies, video recordings, attention to detail, and then you would need to follow instructions. All right. So if you scroll down and go through the requirements for this small task, so the role title is AI facial data collection contributor, and the location type is remote. Remote means you can get hired from anywhere. So it's not a location based. You don't need to be at the physical office or the physical site for you to get hired. Okay. So you can apply for this job from anywhere, and then you'll be get hired. You can get hired. Okay. So this is the job summary. Get paid from home in this fully remote AI training project by providing a few selfies and short videos of yourself through the past 5 years. Selfies and videos will be used to train AI data. We also welcome siblings and twins, identical or fraternal, to join this project. If you have brothers, sisters, or twins who are interested, they are encouraged to apply as well. So the key responsibilities is to submit high quality and unedited selfies, like 30, and video recordings, 10, of yourself through the past 5 years. Remove possible filters and edits from pictures and videos taken in the last 5 years. Follow the instructions carefully and report any issues or and follow back feedback to improve features submission. So if you are comfortable, all right, with this job, this is just like a task. Okay, you just apply, get interviewed, and then if you're hired, you do the job and get paid. It's as simple as that. So the required skills and qualifications are: must have clear selfies and videos ready. So you must have this selfies and videos ready. There are people that take lots and lot of selfies. Okay, so they could get paid with you know just by submitting their selfies and their videos. So all you need to do is you must have clear selfies and videos ready to submit, capture with smartphones or camera, and then able to follow instructions and pay attention to detail, comfortable working independently, and reporting any issues if they arise. So the compensation structure is going to be: you will receive a one-time payment after you submit the amount of selfies and videos required by this project. So if you're interested in doing this task, okay, so all you need to do is enter your first name, enter your last name, enter your email address, enter your phone number, select your country code, okay, and then your location. Which city are you? If you're in, just enter your city, okay, and then click next. Before you fill this form, remember the instructions. You must have these selfies and those videos ready before you submit, because it's going to be after you pass this first stage. The next stage that you're going to see, if you're hired, then you can start submitting those selfies and videos following the instructions. Okay, so these are simple tasks that you can do from the comfort of your home and get hired. So again, if you're a professional looking for a remote job, all right, and then you can go through the full list right there. You can see we have a lawyer, all right. So if maybe for instance, you're a lawyer, okay, you can apply for this job. That's around $60 to $75 per hour. If you're an accountant or an auditor, you can apply for this job right there. This is $60 to $75 per hour. If you're an IT manager, these are the required skills. So each of these remote jobs have their required skills and their pay. So go through it. If it's something that you know that you can do, you don't need to start walking up and down around the street looking for jobs. So this is a legit website that you can use to get remote jobs. So we have US based accountants, CPA, CA. All right, so the required jobs are also listed there. If you're qualified, just click on this arrow button right there and apply for it. If you're a front end engineer, okay, you can apply for this job. The required skills are JavaScript, TypeScript, and React. The pay is $65 to $120 per hour. If you're a full stack engineer or a full stack developer, you can apply for this job. The required skills are Node.js, TypeScript, React, and +9. All right. So if you want to see all the full required skills, click on this arrow button right there, and then you see them. So the pay is $65 to $120 per hour. Okay, so if you're a software developer, Python, Rust, and Golang, then +5, you can click on this, go through the full details, apply for this job. So if you're maybe a backend engineer, you can apply for this job. So the required skills is backend development. So it might be different, maybe programming languages, maybe C Sharp, Visual Basic, or maybe uh, any of it. I don't know, but just click on this. So let's take, for instance, you click on this, it's going to open like this. So you just scroll down like this. You're going to see, let's see, yes. So we have Python, Python 3, Java, Go, Rust, C++, and or TypeScript. Okay, so that's the backend stack that you're going to be working on. All right, so let's go back to our full list again. If you're an Indonesia bilingual expert, so bilingual expert, you can actually click on this and apply for it. So if I scroll down like this, you can see many and so many jobs on this website. They are all remote that you can apply and go get yourself interviewed, and if you pass, then the job will be yours. Go to the comment section and type remote jobs. Then I'm going to check your comment and send you the link. So if you like the video, click on the like button, subscribe to our channel, share this video to somebody out there who is looking for on how to work from home or how to get hired to work remotely. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.